Hi, hello, welcome to the vlog. It's a little embarrassing still. I need to tackle all of this. So fluffy, oh my god. Threw a snowball like at my face. Today we are going to be doing a lot of cleaning. So basically a ton of time lapses, before and afters. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, this video is for you. I feel like pretty much every area of the house right now is chaotic and all in disarray. Except for the living room. I think the living room is the only place that looks like it should. But yeah, I'm gonna show you all of these befores because this is real life. It's a little embarrassing still, but you know, it is what it is, and that's why we are cleaning today. So we've got the kitchen to do here. You can see I've got all the dishes needs to be done and surfaces need to be cleaned down. The dining room is an absolute catastrophe. Like, it's literally just become a coat closet, which is ridiculous because we have a coat closet. So that's gonna be tackled today. Gotta do some laundry as well, so I'm gonna start that here in just a moment. And then the office has also managed to become a disaster, so that definitely needs to be done, especially if I'm gonna film tomorrow. Still have clothes down here from the thrift haul that I did, so yeah, gotta do that. I had to make some food for some sustenance, so I've got broccoli and sweet potato gnocchi, which I'm trying this one from Capello's sweet potato gnocchi with almond flour. I've never tried this one before, nor have I tried the Trader Joe's one, so I don't know how they would compare, but this one's actually pretty good. I put it in the air fryer, so that's why it got all toasty, but yeah, not bad. Probably have some ketchup or something with that. Oh, and then I've got my greens that I'm drinking as well. Trying out their citrus flavor, which is new for me. This is from Bloom, by the way. It's good. I think I like the mixed berry one better though. So I'm gonna eat really quick and then we will get to tackling this kitchen. So whenever I'm cleaning or doing anything around the house, this is my time to listen to a podcast or something, sometimes music, but I like a podcast because it kind of works your mind as you're doing, you know, just mindless activities. This day I happened to listen to a couple of episodes from The Purpose Show, but the first load of laundry was done, so that is what I'm doing first, hanging up all of the wet clothes. This is actually a drying rack that I got from Ikea a while back. It's only like $15, and this thing seriously is awesome. I use this literally all the time because we hang dry a lot of clothes. So if you hang dry clothes, you need to get something like this. This thing is a game changer. But now let's tackle the kitchen, and this is your little reminder to make sure to stay hydrated. So the first thing I had to do was actually unload the dishwasher. I try not to let it get this bad and try to stay on top of it more regularly. So like every night, run the dishwasher, and then if you unload the dishwasher in the morning, then you can put all the dirty dishes in throughout the day and then run it again at night and just repeat that cycle. That really does help to keep things somewhat clean at least. But this particular day, I happened to let it go and all the dirty dishes just piled up because I didn't unload the dishwasher of all the clean dishes. So yeah, had to catch up a little bit on that. And then of course there's certain items that can't go in the dishwasher, so that's why I've got to wash those by hand. And then once all of the surfaces are cleaned, I like using this Mrs. Meyer's spray that's like an all-purpose spray, and then wipe it down with a microfiber cloth. These are the best for cleaning. You cut down on waste from any paper towels or wipes or anything, and then you literally just chuck these in the wash and you're good to go. So yay, kitchen is done, nice and clean. I decided to move this cake stand over here and then display out these oranges because I just kind of had them like in a bag in the corner over there. So I was like, why not do that? So then, you know, they're in your face and you'll eat them more. Now I need to tackle all of this catch-all situation here at the dining table. Also, I did want to point out, kind of random, but we have our like wine and stuff like here on this corner, just kind of put out because there's nowhere to put it like in the cabinets or anything like that. I've been scouring on Facebook Marketplace trying to find a bar cart, and I want to put it like right here. I feel like that would be a perfect spot to put it, but every single one that I find seems to just disappear very quickly. Somebody buys it up, or there's ones on there that I just like don't love the style of. But I'm looking at other options too, so it doesn't have to be like a legit bar cart, but like maybe even some kind of like storage cabinet or like shelf, you know, keeping an open mind because it's Facebook Marketplace. Secondhand furniture is always hard to find exactly what you might be looking for, but also I like that because you can really find some unique, different products. Anyway, enough rambling. Let's go ahead and clear off the dining table. Okay, honestly, I don't know why we let this get like this. It's a little bit embarrassing, but you know, really, the reason why this happens is because I know that we just don't have a system, and it's just pure laziness of just like, as soon as you walk in through the door, you just throw all of your stuff just onto this table, onto the chairs, and then we would just like leave it. So yeah, that's why it's gotten as bad as it's gotten. But we do have an actual coat closet in this house, so a lot of these jackets are going to be moved into there, and then we're going to have the system of, as soon as you walk in, you take off your coat, and instead of just hanging it over a chair, go and hang it in the coat closet. And then I think another system that I am planning on implementing to make sure that this doesn't get like this again is just to make sure to clear off the surfaces every night. So before we go upstairs for the night and go to bed, this is going to be cleared off and made sure that it's all tidy and good to go. So yeah, I think that'll be just a really good functional system to have. That way there's not such an explosion and you have to like dedicate a whole day of cleaning like I did here, and instead doing like little bits here and there, like bite-sized chunks. I mean, really, I'm talking about like how to form habits, right? I've been reading that book by James Clear, The Atomic Habits, and it's been really good. And he talks all about like making systems and attaching these like little habits and systems to cues. So like the trigger is going to be like, before I go to bed, I am going to clear off all of the surfaces here, things like that. And that's supposed to like really help you ingrain some of these habits and keep them up. And it also makes it more manageable and not like these huge overwhelming things that you're trying to do. But yeah, that's kind of a side tangent. But yeah, by the time I finished clearing off everything in the dining room, the second load of laundry was done. So I hung up all of the wet clothes from that load. And then I also folded the clothes that were in the dryer from the first load. And then at some point along the line, I did have a break here. I believe I had lunch and kind of chilled for a minute. So the clothes that went in the dryer from the second load of laundry was also done. So I did end up folding that as well. So the sun is about to set soon and I really feel like just calling it quits, but I'm gonna push through, tackle this office and get it cleared up ready for tomorrow so that I can film with a clean space. Yeah, so because of that break that I had earlier, I really did not want to clean anymore, but I had it on my list. I was gonna tidy this office and get it all ready to go. I was just like, you know what, just tackle it, just get it done. Yeah, I didn't do anything major here, no like real deep cleaning or anything. I just wanted to make sure that the surfaces were tidy, cleaned, good to go. I just had a lot of random little things that were just out of their spots. So in the closet of this room, I have these like storage bins and things like that where I have them labeled so I know like where everything's supposed to go. So yeah, I just cleared off all the surfaces and then picked up some of these things off of the floor as well. Just things that got accumulated and then I didn't like put them up right away. Oh yeah, and then I did have that pile of clothes from the thrift haul that I filmed that were just just sitting there on the ground, so I made sure to hang those up as well. And then I also put in a bag the ones that I knew that I needed to take to the dry cleaners.
Yeah.
Hello. Good morning. Spent the whole day filming yesterday, and then today's gonna be like a full day of editing. We actually got quite a bit of snow. The lighting is so good because I feel like when it snows outside, it really like reflects through the windows. So yeah, we actually got quite a bit of snow yesterday slash last night. So pretty. Is it snowing or is it just, I think that's just snow like coming off of the trees, if you can see that. But I actually wanted to show you guys, I got in the mail finally the pampas grass and dried bunny tails that I ordered off of Etsy. The place that I ordered from was called Bohemian Revival Shop. If you're interested, they were having a sale. I thought it was cool because they were local here to the Boston area. So it came in this like big tube because I got the large pampas grass, and then I think the little bunny tails are in there as well. Okay, I'm gonna try to unwrap them. I really hope it doesn't like shed everywhere. I know you can use like some hairspray lightly. They wrapped it so well, look at that. Aw, fluffing and care tips, cute. So there's the bunny tails, so cute. Oh my gosh, I got the bleached one, and this is the pampas. Ooh, I'm super excited, okay. Ooh, so fluffy, oh my gosh.
He's so fluffy, I'm gonna die.
Oh my gosh, so cute. Had a couple pieces of breakage, but not too bad actually. And then here's how the pampas grass looks. So cute. I just put them in this little Ikea vase thing. I think they look great, even without the extra fluffing. Morning. It's snowing today, and we came outside picking up another item from Facebook Marketplace today. This time it's a little cabinet. I've been searching and searching for something like this for like our little bar, or to make it into a little bar. So I was like looking for bar carts, I was looking for other options, and I felt like a cabinet would be like the most versatile thing. So I found one, and it was really hard to find one for under $100. So this one was like 50, so I jumped on it. So we're going to pick that up right now, and then we are going to Ikea, but also probably getting some food because we're hungry. That was the persuasion for Philip to come with me to Ikea. It was so that we could get some food. Cabinet has been secured. This is the back of it, so you can't really see. I'll show you whenever we get back home. Actually, it looks way better in person than even in the pictures, so. Here's what the little cabinet looks like. I put it here in this little corner, and then I'm planning on changing out these little handles for like maybe some brass ones, something a little more modern. And then I think I might actually get some like brass little feet as well for it to like stand up higher. I feel like it'll just transform the piece. Is there still snow in my hair and on my face? Because you just threw a snowball like at my face. Anyway, we're at Ikea now. So the main reason we came to Ikea was actually to make a return. These silverware organizer things that were way too big for our drawers. So that's why we're here, but might also pick up a few other things. Should I get one of these salad spinner things? No, I definitely need one of these though. Yes. Apparently this is new. I love all the textures. Oh, it's only 5 by 8. I thought it was bigger. I like this kind too. It's actually cool. Is it playing music? Wow. There's so many of these now. I remember when we came in July, there was like none. They look like just things that you can DIY and do something cool with. There's like this mushroom shaped like lamp that's super popular right now. Oh, those are cool. I like those pots. Oh, the snow is so pretty. So we're done at Ikea. There was nothing really in the as-is section, and then I was just kind of like looking at the rugs. There weren't many like in a larger size that I liked, so I'll probably just keep looking for that. So I returned those two like silverware organizers that didn't fit in the drawer when I bought them, and it took me this long to actually return them, but apparently you have 365 days, so I got very close. So the only thing I got was this little like strainer, because I realized I didn't have one of these. I like the ones that they have. I like that they're all like completely metal. And then I got one of these little like organizer things. Usually they use these for like display. These are really nice. I have one already that I use as like a pot lid holder, but I wanted another one because all of my cutting boards that are like the plastic ones, they're all just kind of like laying down on the bottom of a cabinet. So I wanted to get this to like stack this way to get them organized. So yeah, that's all I got. Just some useful things. So I like literally only spent $10. I'm happy. Yay. Just picked up a rug. So excited, off of Facebook Marketplace. Just scored an 8x11 rug for $50. We picked it up in this neighborhood that literally has like giant mansions. Saw one that looked just like, it looked like a house from like Fixer Upper, like Chip and Joanna designed this house. Like that's what it looked like. So this is the rug that we ended up picking up from Facebook Marketplace. I wanted to find one that was kind of like neutral and cream like this because I feel like it goes well with the rest of the decor. But I love the fact that this one has a bunch of like textures to it instead of having just like a flat one colored, one style like carpet or rug. So I really like that. And they had marked it down from $100 to $50. So yeah, when it jumped down like that, I was like, yes, I'm gonna get that. And then I did actually move the cabinet over here to this like little section of the wall because there was nothing here and I felt like it was kind of cramped over there. And I feel like the way that I want to do this up is to kind of like decorate it, and it'll have some decor on there, but also like the top will have some of the bar stuff like on display, and then inside we'll have all of the bottles and glasses, wine glasses, whiskey glasses. But like I said, I'm gonna look for some new handles for these. But yay, making progress with the home stuff.